Hey guys, I woke up from a nap. Oh, I'm gonna go to bed now.
We're on our way to Sandy, for such good company. It's the only place to be.